Hello, and welcome to the StatSafe tips and tricks. Today we'll be looking at the portal and we'll be showing you on how to change over a cart to go to a new facility. If you have an existing cart that has previously been another facility, it is very easy to create a new blank cart with no information in it and then send that to a new facility. If I look at Phoenix Floor 2 cart, this is a cart that we have previously had in another facility that we would like to send to a new facility. And if you look at the cart, it has users loaded, it has patients loaded, it has physicians and inventory and other information that we no longer need for the new facility. And it's protected information, so we don't want the other facility to have access to it. So what you will do in this case is call technical support and let us know that you have a cart that you would like to have cleared out for your new facility. Now, if it's already in your portal and it's currently billing, it's a very easy fix. If this cart has previously been deactivated, give us a call and we'll get you some additional paperwork to start the process. Now, so what you'll do is you call up technical support and you'll say, I would like to repurpose Phoenix Floor 2 cart to a new facility. So now technical support has created a new cart for me. And you will see that they have told me my new cart is labeled as new tabletop cart. So they have created a new cart for me. The new cart has no inventory in it. It has no users in it, no patients. There is no data in this cart. It is a completely new cart built on the same configuration as the Phoenix Floor 1 cart. So we have deactivated the Phoenix Floor 1 cart, but you do still have access to all of the information previously in that cart. All of the data is still maintained within that cart's memory. You can see the information on the right-hand side of the portal. You can toggle between your active and your inactive carts. These are all the carts that are no longer active in our portal. You can see the Phoenix Floor 2 cart is here, and I can still see all of the inventory that used to be in it. I can still see all of the patients. I can still see all of the users. I can run any report that I still need to off of this cart, should I need to retrieve any data from it. It is still all there in the portal. It just cannot be used within the carts any longer. Now, they have created a new tabletop cart for me in technical support. And again, it is a clean cart. There's no inventory, there are no users, there's no data in this cart. But I say, I would like to load a list in this cart from an existing cart that I really like the inventory in. It also makes your new cart setup go faster. You can create a starter list from an existing cart. So my Phoenix Floor 1 cart has a really good inventory list in it that I like and I would like to load into my new cart. We're going to start by creating a starter list that we will load into our new cart from the cart that we like the inventory in. Now, you'll go to Inventory Libraries on the left-hand side and select Manage Starter List. Whenever you click this, you can see previous starter list that you have created before. I'm going to add a starter list. So you can name your starter list whatever you would like. I am going to call it New Cart Starter List. And now I will select the cart that I want to copy. I really like the starter list or the inventory list that I have in the Floor 1 Phoenix cart. When you select that cart, it's going to ask you, do you want to do new items only? If you want to load all of the inventory files, then you will click no to new items only. But let's say I'm going to add IV carts to all of my current carts. And I just added the IV items to this cart. When it says, would you like to copy only new items? I would select yes, and then it would only copy those new IV items that I have recently added. So I'm going to select no, and this will copy all of the items that I have in that cart. So now I only have to hit save up here, and it now saves this starter list. And you can now see that we have the new list from the Phoenix Floor 1 cart. I can click on this list right here. I can now go through and I can see all of the items that are in the list. I can even go through and I can delete items that I don't want to have in that starter list. I can edit them here. I can change lot numbers and everything here if I would like to, previous to loading it into the new cart. Or I can just save it, and I now have this list available. Now I can go back into my StatSafes, and I'm going to load this list into my new tabletop cart. So I open up the cart. As you can see, there's no inventory currently in the cart. I select Edit Settings, and now I have the option to choose to add inventory from a starter list. I select Add Inventory from Starter List, and I choose the list that I would like to upload. So it is New List from Phoenix Floor 1. Are you sure you want to copy the starter list? And I will select Yes. And it is currently loading all of the items. So now, whenever I open up the inventory from this cart, all of the inventory is now there. It is yellow because it has not been accepted into the cart. So now I can go through and I can edit each item. I can cancel items. When I select edit, I can pick a new location if I would like for this item to be in a new location. I can change information like the lot number, the manufacturer. I can decide that I don't want to send as many to this new facility as I had at the previous facility. So you can edit all of the information before accepting it into the cart. And all of that is editable here. You will still need to go in and add your users, your patients, and your physicians because this is a blank cart. Another feature that you can do is once I have all this inventory changed and I like the way it is and I have it loaded in the cart, I can go to Edit Settings and Options, and I can auto accept all meds, which means I'm going to auto accept them within the portal and I don't have to load them one by one into the carts. This is a great feature for first-time deliveries on carts. So it says, are you sure you want to auto accept all items? I hit yes, and it has finished. I hit save, and then you can tell that the yellow acceptance alert has cleared and they are no longer yellow. One of the features that this does do is once we copied over that starter list, all of your serial IDs and your PIN numbers do change if they're different locations. So it starts with your new serial IDs and it creates a new PIN. So your PINs are not the same from cart to cart. So this is the easiest way to create a new cart from an existing cart. You can also use those same starter lists to load into new carts that you receive to easily create your new carts. The only thing is that the configuration of the drawers has to be the exact same from the carts you're copying. Again, this is tips and tricks on how to repurpose your StatSafes or easily load new StatSafe carts from starter list made from existing carts. Thank you.